Hey, hello. So today, this video, I'm talking to you about colour. Colour is a hugely important aspect of your business, and I love colour. I really do. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to have a little talk to you about finding your colour combinations. If you haven't got an awesome colour combination that you love for your business, you need to find one. So you don't want too many colours, you just want a couple of main colours that you use for your business, and then use some variations on the shades of that colour. So you don't want 105 different colours, you just want a few really strong colours that you love and work well for your business. Now Canva has some amazing little tools to help you find the perfect colour combination. So I'm going to show you. So here we are, this is my Canva desktop. Now the best way to get to the extra features that Canva has is probably just to go up and click features, and then it brings up this, this page for you. Scroll down to the bottom, down to the footer, and you've got this section of resources. So we are going to be looking at colours today. If you click on colour, it then brings up this page and it's brilliant. Right, so there's several different ways of finding your colours. You have the colour wheel. Now the colour wheel is great because it shows you different types of combinations that can work well. So if you have a colour in mind, you can add the hex code into the box here, or you can just drag this little doodaddy dot around and it will give you a complementary colour, which is the opposite on the colour wheel, the opposite colour on the colour wheel to the colour you have chosen. So they tend to really complement each other. As you can see, going round, it is giving different colour combinations here. But there's a few other ways of doing this as well. So you've got this second section, colour combination part here. So you can go for monochromatic, which gives you two colours that are very similar to each other, one darker, one lighter shade. We go around, you can see it gives you two colours that are similar to each other. Again, one dark, one light. Or you can try this one, which gives you three colour combinations, but as you can see, they're very similar to each other. So it's a good combination. See, I quite like the blues. You get a dark, medium, and a light of each. Triadic is three opposite colours to each other. So you've got three bold colours. Where you come in, you get some more neutral shades, but three opposite colours that complement each other. Or the last one, tetradic, which gives you four. Now I like this because you get four colours that you can use within your business. And if you have a little play, the further out you go, the sharper the colours become. The further in you go, the more neutral and pastel the colours become. So you can just have a little play, and if you find, you come across a colour combination that you absolutely love and you think, yeah, that's fantastic, I want to use that for my business, you can come down the bottom here. So number 3, we've picked our colour, we've picked our options. You can click on the hex codes to copy them, or you've got two options here. You can export your palette as a PDF, and then you can try Canva for free if you're not on it, using those colours. So if you can click PDF and it will export it. It wants you to print it, but here you have now got all of the colour codes for those four colours. I'll go back to my colour wheel, or you can select create a graphic. It will open up Canva and then it will bring up a whole bunch of designs that potentially use those colours that you could choose. So the colour wheel is awesome. I do love the colour wheel. It's a good thing to have a look at if you would like to pick your colour combination. And the colour palette generator does a very similar thing. Now I do love this. This is probably one of my most favourites because you can upload an image. Let me see if I have an image that I can upload. I hadn't actually thought about uploading an image, but let's see what we've got. Oh, I've got some crazy photos of me and my little boy here. Let's pick one of them. There we go. It's a very old blurry photo, but as you can see, it's pulled out the 4 main colours that it's found in that image, and you can then use those colours within your business. It's brilliant. If you scroll down, it then gives you different colour combinations, so you can have a look through. This is a really nice one. It gives it a name as well. You can select your colour combination. It gives you an image that uses those colours and the 4 hex codes as well, and then related combinations. So it's a fantastic tool to have a look through if you're not sure about what you would like to use for your colours. Picking something like this one, you've got 4 colours here. They're beautiful colours. You can use them for your business, and then when you add them into your Canva account, you can then get different variations on the shades of these to use for your text and other aspects of your business. So that is the colour combination. If I just go back here, we've got colour palette ideas, which we've just looked at, and we've also got colour meanings. Now, browse a list of colours and learn about the meanings, which is a really exciting thing to do because each business colour is different, has a different meaning. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video.